Got the answer? In fact, this reaction do happen immediately when we do this, when we heat just by warming this benzaldehyde with acetaldehyde in presence of NaOH, the reaction takes place readily to give what? To give, of course, first it gives beta hydroxyaldehyde, same as this. Similarly here, this is alpha hydrogen, which gives hydrogen to the carbonyl carbon. This O becomes OH. Once it becomes OH, what we get is benzaldehyde containing O, and O becomes OH. This hydrogen remain here, and then these two hydrogens of acetaldehyde will be here, C double bond OH, and this undergoes dehydration. That is D means D, remove, hydrate. Hydrate means water. Removal of water. How it happens? This bond will migrate to that. This O will go. This hydrogen and OH combine together and go out as water. Once it goes out as water, what we end up is, see, double bond here. Let's write the double bonds of the benzene clearly. C double bond. So here OH is gone. Now this will be CH. In between these two, C double bond, C will form, this H is here, the same thing here, and this will form. What is this? It is again alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehyde, and this takes place readily. Even immediately after the formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde, this takes place readily. Why? The reason is this has extended conjugation. In the previous case I told it is conjugated. Conjugated with what? What conjugated? Double bond is conjugated with C double bond O, whereas here it is extended to what? To the benzene. The double bond conjugation is extended to the benzene. Look here, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double, single, double, single, double, single. This extended conjugation makes it more stable. In the previous case, I have used the word resonance. That is seen in this case. Even in the previous also, it is same. What is resonance? Here, this has the electron withdrawing tendency. It pulls the electron. When it pulls the electron, this will go here and becomes negative. When it becomes negative, this becomes positive. To neutralize that, this will come and help. It will resonate to the demand of the C double bond O. So that is that's what it is called as conjugation. So once it comes, then this also moves. To neutralize this will move. This will move. That means in case of any distress, any demand, other double bond which is present alternate to one another will respond, and thus it leads to the extended conjugation and extended stability. Then it leads to extended stability. This is what will happen with benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde, and this is also called as crossed aldol condensation, and this compound is cinnamaldehyde. This is the one which is present in cinnamon. This is the one which is present in chake. Right? Cinnamon has this cinnamaldehyde. Right? This is a very good essence which is used in cooking. Right? So this is crossed aldol condensation. Next question of mine is, okay, if that is happening, is it not possible for me to take only benzaldehyde without acetaldehyde? Can't we do the reaction? Instead of taking 2 acetaldehyde, I am taking 2 benzaldehyde. I am taking 2 molecules of benzaldehyde. Will this happen? These chemists are very crazy guys. They are taking 2 aldehydes. They know pretty well that it doesn't contain any alpha hydrogen. This is alpha carbon. If there is no alpha hydrogen, here also there is no alpha hydrogen. Still, they want to ensure they want to check whether the reaction takes place or not. So what they do is, first initially when you take in dilute NaOH, the reaction does not happen. So what they do is, instead of dilute, they take concentrated NaOH. It will increase the concentration of NaOH. Instead of dilute NaOH, they take concentrated NaOH. When they take that, a miracle will happen. What is it? Here the thing which will happen is, one molecule of benzaldehyde undergoes oxidation, other undergoes reduction. So this is an aqueous solution. This will happen in presence of water. It will happen in presence of water. That is an aqueous media. One molecule undergoes oxidation, other will undergo reduction. How it happens? Oxidation means addition of oxygen. Just add oxygen to one molecule, hydrogen to another molecule. What? Hydrogen of water and oxygen of water. Oxygen of water to one molecule of benzaldehyde, that is oxidation reaction. Hydrogen is addition of, reduction is addition of hydrogen. Add this hydrogen to another molecule. When I do that, what I get here is C6H5. Okay, I'll add this oxygen to this. This oxygen will come between carbon and hydrogen. This will be C double bond O OH plus. What I will add, when the moment I add hydrogen, this oxygen is very fond of hydrogen. It will take up COH. Okay, and another hydrogen will come here. Get this? This is a reduced product and this is oxidized product. Since we are in NaOH media, this will be converted to which one? The benzoic acid. This acid will be converted to sodium salt of benzoate. Sodium salt of benzoic acid. So this is what we are going to get when we treat two molecules of benzaldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, which does not contain what? Alpha hydrogen. There is no alpha hydrogen. Still we went on with the reaction, and after the reaction what we got is self-oxidized and reduced product. And this reaction is called as Cannizaro's reaction. This reaction is called as Cannizaro's reaction. Cannizaro's is the name of the scientist who carried out the reaction, hence it is called as Cannizaro's reaction. Right? So this is another reaction, and of course here it is not the condensation because we are not getting single compound, we will be getting two different compound. What reaction is this? Self-oxidation and reduction. Self-oxidation and reduction reaction. Is it clear? Right? I'll come back with another reaction of aldehydes. Thank you.